Hello, it's a great day at Good Works Auto Repair here in sunny Tempe, Arizona at Price Road and Broadway. We're also proud members of the NARPRO Neighborhood Auto Repair Professionals Association here in the Phoenix region. Today I'm going to be talking about the differences between conventional and non-conventional or synthetic oil. The question may be, can I use a conventional oil where it says I should use at least a semi-synthetic or a full synthetic? I would highly recommend that you don't. The actual elements that are used in there to clean and engineered to your motor specifications are vitally important for the life of your motor. Please use the oil that's specified by your manufacturer. You find it in your owner's manual in your glove box, or sometimes it's written right on the cap of your oil fill. It's really important for you in the longevity of your car and your pocketbook too. Thanks again. Glen at Good Works Auto Repair at Price Road and Broadway in sunny Tempe, Arizona. Proud member of the NARPRO Neighborhood Auto Repair Professionals